My name is Abhay and in this video I will show you how to add titles in Origin Graph like this. It's very easy. Keep watching. Let's get started. First I will delete this to show you. To add the title, right click outside the chart area and you will see here the option of add text. Click on this and you will see this small blue box with the cursor blinking inside it. Now type whatever you want inside this box and then you can press Ctrl Alt to select the letters. You can bold them from here or you can increase the size of the title like this. Once you are satisfied with the title size, click outside, then click again on the title. You will see this blue box around the word which indicates that this is now ready to move. You can drag the title now anywhere you want like this, and if you want to edit this title, just double click inside the box, select everything by pressing Ctrl A. You can change the color of the title. You can directly change the size of the title from here like this, or you can press this increase font option to increase the size. Likewise, you can also click on decrease font size to decrease the size. Now check out this useful playlist that will show you all you need to know about Origin. And if this video solved your problem, subscribe and comment below to let me know. See you again in the next video.